Hey guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can mute someone on Instagram. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you're going to do is just go to your Instagram app and then log in with your account. Once you do that, just go to the person's profile that you want to lock, let's say mute. So if you want to mute, just go with account from here. Just go over here and search for the account and go to your messages. Now just go to this profile icon like this, and over here you'll be having this mute option. Go over here and just choose what you want. You want to mute messages or you want to mute calls. You can choose it from here and just tap it and it will ask until when. So until I change it, you can do it to this as well, and that's how you're gonna do it. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.